everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica and today I have my Partners in Cream update for you. This is, I believe, the 4th year that we are doing this project. It was created by Steph and Delynn. Those beautiful ladies are going to be listed down below. I can't remember if there's a playlist or not. If there is, it's going to be listed down below. This project is amazing. I love it. I have been doing it since it started, and I will continue to do it because I just really like this project. And it helps me remember that I need to use my non-powder stuff because they go bad faster. And that was the whole premise of this project, is to take your non-powder makeup products and get some use out of them. Finish them up if you want to, set a goal if you want to. I'm pretty sure it was like 3 to 6 items. And let's see, I am keeping it at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because it's easy. 5 is a nice easy number. It's kind of like a rolling 5-pan non-powder style, non-powder makeup style, and I'm enjoying it immensely. And it's funny, I started this the first year not having a lot of cream liquid products and stuff like that other than complexion, because I was like, I don't really like cream products because I have oily skin. Well, it's funny because at the time I was working on getting my skincare under control, finding what really worked for my naturally oily skin, large pores, what have you. And I actually started really enjoying cream and liquid products more, and I've acquired more because of this project. I know it's horrible to say that, but it's true. I don't hate it though. I'm really enjoying cream products. I know, it's crazy. And I know I don't have earrings on today, but it's like I was out gardening and it's still daylight hours out there. So, you know, it's weird. I have more energy and everything. Let's get into this update because I'm already talking too much. My puppy's over here got hiccups, chewing on things. Teeth are falling out of her head. Can you hear her growling? She is a crack up. Puppy growls are adorable. All right. I have 2 rollouts this month. I'm very happy to have rollouts because it means I get to roll things in and play with some more stuff. The first one is the Essence Camouflage and Conceal concealer. I wanted to just use this 20 times. Mine is 26 Natural Beige. It is actually a good color for me. It did not play well with the one foundation, and that's why it took me so long to hit my 20 uses on this, but I have finally hit that, so that is rolling out. I do really like it, so it's obviously going to stay in my collection. And like I said, the one foundation is the only one that it doesn't work well with, and that doesn't work well with anything. No primers, no nothing. So, you know, that one's almost done, and then I don't have to worry about it. I'm actually wearing it today, and I love it, but it doesn't play with anything else. So, you know, you got to take the good with the bad. The next one is from the Profusion Eyes palette that I depotted like eons ago. This is just a navy blue gel liner, and my goal was to hit pan. It is baby pan, but it is right there in the middle. I should have an overlay of that. I did enjoy this, but you know, all good things must come to an end. And I get to rotate. I like it. All right. 3 things that are carrying on. The first one is, been in here since the beginning and I knew it was going to be slow going. This is the Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. You can't even see the nicks on it anymore. I've sharpened it that much. I'm attempting to use it to where I have to sharpen the blue line that I put on it. And it's getting there. It is so close. I'm going to say like 2 more sharpens and it's probably going to be there. And of course I did my line all wonky, so it's higher on one side than it is on the other. Every little speck of blue is going to have to be gone before I consider this to be a rollout. So it's almost ready for sharpening now, but not quite. I can use it a little bit more. I basically only use it on my brow bone, so it takes a little while, but I'm enjoying it. It works well for me, and if it ain't broke, don't fix it. This puppy, she is hysterical. Next one. This one's been in forever. It's the Essence Fix and Last 18-Hour Makeup Fix Setting Spray, or Makeup Fixing Spray, whatever they want to call it. I'm using it to foil my eyes, like my eyeshadows and stuff like that. That's all I'm using it for. There's not much in there, but there's still, if I'm just using it to foil, it's still going to take me months to get it finished. I know that's sad because this is a tiny bottle. It is 50 mLs. It's not much. I just don't use setting sprays like as a setting spray. That's one of those things, once that one's gone, that category can just disappear forever, and I'm okay with that. All right, the last one that's carrying on is the Buxom Powerful Lip Plump Lip Balm, and this is in the shade Flushed. I have it over top of some other stuff on my lips today. It looks crazy dark, but it doesn't actually look that dark when you wear it. It's pretty sheer, but it's got the tingle. It's got the Buxom tingle, which I like. I know some people don't like it, but I enjoy it. So, you know, I have 20 of 30 uses done. I think I can get 10 more uses on that before the next update. So that will probably be a rollout. What is my puppy getting into now? And I think she's chewing on my bathroom rug. Puppies. All right, I have 2 products that I'm going to be rolling in to keep me at 5. The first one is the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation. This is in the shade 035 Natural Beige. I have 034 that's also just a slight bit darker. So I'm probably going to roll that in later once I get a little bit of more of my summer color, since it's not officially summer yet. And I can't stop laughing at this dog. Yeah, I don't have much color yet, but it's coming because our weather's still been a lot of rain. Today it didn't rain, but it was still kind of cool. What you gonna do? So I'm gonna put this in for 20 uses, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Hopefully I can get that rolled out next update. But like I said, I am trying to work on another foundation that I'm hoping to finish, so it might not make it as as a rollout for next update, but we'll see. And the other thing I'm bringing in, this is the Pure Lace Blush Glow BB Cheek Color. It is a it's kind of a liquid cream type of blush. It's not like a full cream, but it's not like super liquid. Like if I shake it, it doesn't make any sound. That is it right there. It's very pretty. I think it's going to be nice to finish up spring with. And then I'll probably, once I hit my goal on that, which is 20 uses, I have another shade that's going to be much better for once I have my summer color. And I will probably bring in that one next. I want to rotate through my liquids and creams and gels and all that kind of stuff in this project. It's my play project. They're all my play project this year. It's just that here. Yep, she's chewing on my bathroom rug. I can see her doing it now. All right, I am going to wrap this up so I can hopefully salvage my rug before she shreds it completely. Definitely check out Stephen Delin, and if there is a playlist, like I said, it is going to be down below. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.